You can hear my daughter in the background. Alright, well, let's make this intro super quick. I'm gonna do a look today, and I'm gonna do a really cute, fun look that I have done before. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm just like trying to find this video. Um, so this is on my road to recreating a lot of my old Instagram posts journey, and this is the next one I wanted to try. I'm not gonna lie, some of these I was like, I don't know if I'll ever recreate that, but I want to recreate this one. And I definitely want it to look hopefully better. That's the goal, but you see it. Wow. Okay, see, it's a liner. It's a liner look. Dismiss. Here. There you go. So we want to do the underliner, I think. Well, I want to do the under reverse smoky eye, I guess. I don't even know what they call this, but it was like, I was like, oh my god, I want to do that. I definitely want to do it. So, because I'm going out tonight, so I was like, you know what? Fuck it, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Anyways, same as last video. I'm not gonna talk directly to you guys. I might do a voiceover, probably will. Maybe not. We'll just see. You'll know more than I know. You'll know more than I know right now. So, future y'all, me. That just time fucked me. Anyways, let's get started. Música. Nice.
Hey besties! So today I wanted to show you guys how to do this smoky under eye liner. And this actually was a trend like a long time ago, and I really liked it. And this time around, I'm gonna try and do it again, like I mentioned before on my other video, that this is like a new series thing that I'm trying to just do for myself, but a little different because when the first time that I made this look, I didn't put anything on my lid. I just put the liner on, and I didn't use liquid liner. I used like a gel liner, which I don't think I have the skill for anymore. I'm not gonna lie to you. And honestly, I did not realize how much your eyes can droopy within 4 to 6 years. Because it's been that long since I was doing these looks. And yeah, I can't do the liner the way that I used to because my little eye droopy thing is happening. And now I have to like kind of finesse it a little bit so that the liner looks straight and it isn't curving down when I open my eyes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that's not how it used to be for me. But you know, I guess we're not 22 anymore. Or 20, I guess. Um, yeah, because I'm 26 now, so it was a while ago, guys. Um, Either way, I wanted to do it's because I wanted to do like a deeper eye. I also wanted to do a deep dramatic lip. So in order to kind of counteract that, I wanted to use very youthful looking colors on my face. So I wanted to do a more coral orange pink vibe on my cheeks just so that I could still warm up my face, even though I am going to be going in with deeper, darker, more sultry tones. I still wanted my face to look lively and youthful and just plump in the right areas. I still, like I said before, conceal like a 2016 YouTube kid because I just like it and I can't not do it. So I also bake. I know some people don't like to bake anymore. I do. I mean, it's a very light bake because you know, crusty. We can't get too crusty. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just dancing. Um, oh my God, I think I was listening to Yacht by Jay Park. If you've ever listened to Jay Park, look, Look, mira, desde ahorita te digo que I can't do it. He's an interesting fella, but his music, Yacht is my favorite song. Anyways, let's go into the under eye. I said everything else beforehand, and then I actually went in and started to deepen up my lower lash line. So I love going into my lower lash line no matter what the situation is. And this is how I like to do it. It's just like a pancake method where I go in with the lightest transition shade with a bigger brush. Then I get my brushes start getting smaller and smaller, the darker the look or the shadow gets. So for instance, right now that I did black, I'm using a flat like liner brush, just to pack it in as close to the lash line as possible. And that's how I created this smokier like look on there. And then I went in with some brighter blush because again, we want to look plump, we want to look youthful, we want to look great. And I needed to bronze because this is my winter shade, not my summer shade. And I am in the dead set of summer here in Houston.
Me realizing I just accidentally raw dogged the hell out of my face. I didn't put primer on.
Sorry for that little interruption. I literally, I like, I didn't put primer on, but I am putting on some finishing spray. This is the dewy one from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my eyes. I think it's super important to tightline. I didn't go all the way into my inner corner. I figured it'd actually be really nice to like leave it open so that it doesn't necessarily close out my entire eye, but rather only a part of my eye. You will see right now how much of a difference that makes in your actual eyes. You see it? You see it? Come on. You see it. I know you see it. Um, and then I'm going to go ahead and just curl my lashes and put some mascara on. At this point, you are welcome to put on some little falsies, or if you have like a beautiful set of lash extensions, just kind of fluff them up a little bit, make sure they're not caked up or nothing like that. Um, I don't particularly put some falsies on, not always. I kind of avoid it now, but this is my eyes now, and I freaking love them. Do you see how like it looks straight when I open my eye? That it used to need to happen. I didn't used to have to do all that extraness on the top. It used to just be straight. Anyways, my little droopy hoods are now they're doing what they're doing. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I put some highlighter on, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some liner. Now, some lip liner. I wasn't anticipating on going this deep. It's giving Twilight season, and I'm living. I'm living for it. So yeah, I went ahead and went in with some deep red and burgundy color, and I love it. I seriously love it. I'm so ready for fall season, honestly.
Guys, like, let's be fucking for real. Let's be fucking for real. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, I am. I love it. Like, I hate that you can't see the color of my hair because it looks black, but it's not. It's actually like this color in the sun. Either way, it looks so good.